Hey there, coming at you this week with some talk about the leek. I never cooked with a leek until probably 7 or 8 years ago, so I can totally relate to how these giant weird looking onions can seem overwhelming. So I'm going to quickly just run you through how to prepare one of these bad boys because trust me, it's worth it. So we're first going to cut off all of these dark leafy greens and then this bottom root piece. So I'm just going to do that quickly. And we want to keep the bulk of the white piece. So this is the piece that really we want to keep that's going to be good and tender. These leaves at the top, while they're very pretty and they're great in like a vegetable stock, they're kind of coarse and rough. They're not that tender and not as delicious. So I'm going to take now this leek and I'm going to slice down the center so that I'm basically opening up all of these little spirals in the middle. And what I'm going to do before I slice it is rinse it off. So let me just do that right now. So basically what I'm doing is sort of going like this with all of the layers underneath the water, because as the vegetable grows, soil and dirt and things sort of get up into all of those. Now I'm going to be able to take my knife and slice it, just chop it into perfect little rounds, and it's going to be perfect to cook with. So I hope that that's helpful. Enjoy your leeks. I wanted to show you a really quick before and after. So you guys saw the leek before, what it looked like. These are the leafy greens that we're discarding, or I'm gonna keep these for a vegetable broth. And this is what the chopped up leek looks like. So I was able to just slice these into these really pretty little rounds, and they're gonna cook up and just be so tasty. So dive in.